It might look easier to make money with cryptocurrency, and most people think, let's get started. Today we're going to talk about something that a lot of you are interested in, making money with cryptocurrency. If you're interested in decentralization like I am, or if you're only interested in making money, one thing is for sure, no one likes losing money. Everyone spends time and energy on things they love in order to get a return on their investment. It's amazing that there is a simple way to make money in the crypto world. Something that has worked well in both digital currencies and traditional financial markets. I will show you a powerful way to make your crypto investments grow. We're talking about dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Today we'll go over this strategy in more depth. Also, I have a special thought for you at the end of this main point that I won't say outright, so stay tuned and try to figure out what the lesson is. Imagine if in 2013 you have found XRP, a hidden gem in the vast crypto universe. Many people, including myself, missed that chance, even though I was active in the crypto space at the time. Imagine if you had taken Bitcoin or XRP back then. I know I did because I bought Bitcoin in 2012. There were really chances like that. Many of you may be thinking, only I had known that back then. But this talk is about how you can use those strategies now. Hey family, on the money side, you've come to your favorite place to find out about XRP news. I need to ask for a quick favor before we get into today's exciting news. Show us some love if you like our content. Please click the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell button to join our very cool community. And now for some good news. As we get closer to 60,000 subscribers, we're getting ready for a big XRP giveaway. It's really simple to join. There are only 3 steps. Find out more soon. You won't want to miss it. Don't forget to use the hashtag MoneySide in your comments. And if you want to be in the drawing for the prize, if starting in 2013 you had decided to put $100 into XR every week, which some people call 100 bones, your total investment would have been about $54,000. Now try to guess how much that investment is worth now. Yes, you did hear that right. One crazy $1, 44 cents million. That's pretty cool, huh? And it's great that you're good with numbers. It's crazy to think that you could put $54,000 into an investment and see it grow into $1, 44 cents million. Well, still, let's get too excited and forget about reality for a while. In 2018, if you decided to sell all of your investments, your $27,000 could have grown into an amazing $5, 3 cents million. If on the other hand, you had invested around $27,000 at the peak, your returns today would be, to say the least, very small. This situation shows how risky investing in cryptocurrencies can be. It's all about when you plan to leave, and which even after 12 years in the crypto world, I still find hard. Millionaires have made money by following the principle of dollar cost averaging, but it also has risks, especially if you've been investing since the peak. What should you remember from this? It's important to make money along the way and not get too greedy. It's smart not to look a gift horse in the mouth, and that advice works perfectly here. It might not always be the best idea to hold on to your investments with diamond-like hands. A lot of people have the wrong idea about diamond hands, which thought to mean unwavering investment holding. What we're really pushing for is the idea of strong hands, or the ability to stay put during market downturns without selling in a panic. This strategy is important for investors, but not for traders who need to know that holding for a long time isn't always a good idea. Even though XRP is called the standard for its use in bank and international settlements, it is still a very important digital currency. And it's not likely to become the money that most people use every day. So it's important to know when the best time is to leave your position. If you had invested $100 a month in XRP since the beginning, in 2013, you could have seen it grow to $1, 44 cents million. But the real challenge and lesson here is how to take advantage of opportunities early on. To do this, you need to do a lot of research and be proactive. There is still a lot of risk and uncertainty in the market, which has a big effect on everyone's investment decisions. From small individual investors to big institutional players, this uncertainty is mostly about figuring out how risky it might be to invest in crypto and stocks. The recent Federal Reserve meeting and Chairman Powell's comments have made things even less clear, especially since interest rates were not raised as expected. This situation shows how important it is to be well informed and have a plan when dealing with the unstable world of investment. Federal Reserve's recent decision to keep the interest rate the same was expected, but it left many people waiting for Chairman Powell to talk about what the future holds for 2024. In particular, people were hoping for signs that would show if interest in easing the financial restrictions that were already in place would be forthcoming. But Chairman Powell's comments didn't give any clear information on when rates might be lowered in the future. This has increased risk and uncertainty in the financial world as we look ahead to 2024. And this lack of clarity has made it harder for investors and analysts to figure out how to get through the next year. Even though this decision doesn't mean there will be a financial crisis right away, it is another challenge in the ongoing fight against inflation. The Federal Reserve is the referee in this fight. People in the market feel like they're getting hit over and over again without much support because the referee hasn't sent any clear signals. And in order to stand the Federal Reserve's position, and it's clear that they are navigating a tricky situation, balancing the need to fight inflation with the need to make the economy grow. This situation shows how hard it is for the Federal Reserve to find the right balance. It shows how monetary policy decisions have complex effects on the economy as a whole. With the Federal Reserve's cautious approach in mind, it's clear that they aren't giving away all of their plans. They are carefully looking at a number of economic indicators, and including inflation rates, GDP reports, and more, and to keep up with how the economy is changing. As small-scale crypto investors, though, this puts us in a very tough spot. A lot of investors, from small investors like us to big financial institutions, don't do much investing because of the risk and uncertainty that surrounds it. A lot of money doesn't get invested because people are afraid of the risk and uncertainty that come with investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Prices of Ethereum, Cardano, and all other digital assets are thought to be too high. These cautious actions, made worse by recent events, increase the risk that is already present and make it harder to navigate. These kinds of situations make the current period of activity in the crypto market last longer. And there hasn't been much growth or movement lately. The crypto community is now looking ahead to the March meeting of the Federal Reserve and the April halving of Bitcoin. Both of these events could have an effect on the direction of the market. The fact that things are less clear today because of risk and uncertainty is a good reminder of how volatile and unpredictable the crypto market is. However, these problems also give us chances to learn and change as we move forward while we wait for clearer signals and developments that might show crypto landscape's future path. And do not forget that I'm not a licensed financial advisor. The information in these videos is only meant to be entertaining. Before making any financial decisions, I always tell my viewers to do their own research and talk to professionals. Thanks for listening. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you turn on notifications so right away when I post something new in the next video, I can't wait to catch up with you. Be careful.